Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the crafting from my Cauldron, which is hosted by Kiki from Kiki's DIY. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist that will include all the videos that are being entered in this challenge. Please visit Kiki's channel and watch the videos in the playlist, so you will help us YouTubers a lot. This is, of course, Halloween inspired. I love Halloween, so this is something I really like doing. So, if you know me already, if you're following me, you know already that my daughter and I are dumpster divers. So, we find beautiful treasures in the dumpsters. And I will leave the link to our channel, Dumpster Chicks, in the description box. And it would be great if you pay a visit to our channel too. It's really, really funny. And one of the things we found in the dumpster was this candle holder that had this top part missing. It was already painted in black, but the paint was not okay. So I spray painted it. And also this candlestick holder, this is from Dollar Tree, with my beloved Rust-Oleum flat black paint. I use the one that is paint plus primer all in one. After I painted these two pieces, I took acrylic, the regular acrylic. This one is something I found also in the dumpster, but you can use any acrylic, silver one. Just put a little bit, just a drop. This is too much. Okay. Because I'm going to show you what I do, how I distressed. So I'm trying to save paint. Okay. And then you wet your finger. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. You just use a little bit of paint and you go, I'm going to do it in the back, in the bottom, and you go just kind of dry brushing your piece to distress it. That's what I did with these pieces. I tried it not to be very perfect, because it's Halloween. It has to be kind of, I don't know the word, but I hope you understand the idea, kind of weary or wasted. I don't know. You know what I mean. That's why I just pat my finger and did these things not in a perfect way. Sorry, English is not my mother language, as I always say. I'm trying, believe me, I'm trying to learn. It's hard for me sometimes to find the right word. Okay, let me clean my fingers. Once I did the distressing, I added, in this case, a little bit of floral foam, because I'm going to use these two pieces that we also found in the dumpster at Party City. It's the top of a cane. You see here there is a part missing, but if you look it from the side you don't notice it. And here was the place where the cane was attached, but of course it was broken. So I added this because I'm going to place this head of the snake here, and I want it to be kind of firmly attached. I'm also going to add this, I think it's Freddy Krueger, I don't watch horror movies, here. But first, in this case, I took this creepy cloth from Dollar Tree. I'm making a mess. Oh. This good. Okay, here we go. This one, and I cut a square. I cut it double. Yes, I didn't unfold the whole piece because I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, and I'm going to place it here like so. And now I'm going to attach the hair. I'm going to use E6000, if I can open. And I'm going to use also hot glue. So I'm trying to be generous because there are not too many points of contact between this hair and the candle holder. So well, of course I needed a new glue stick. I hope it's not dry. Okay, so I'm going to place this hair here. Let me have some hot glue here and here. So this is the first one. Then I'm going to show you the final piece from the front. So now I have to let this dry. So let's place it here. Okay. Let's hope it's not going to fall. Okay, and now I'm going to add this hair. I love it, I really love it. I love the liquid inside, the color. So, and again, I have to use it from the profile, from the side, because of this piece that is missing. But I think it's gorgeous. So again, I'm going to add a nice amount of E6000. Like so. It doesn't go so well with the foam I see now. Look over this. So I'm going to add a lot of hot glue. Of course, the glue sticks are also from the dumpster. I haven't bought glue sticks in ages, because whenever we go to Michael's, we find glue sticks. Now I'm going to remove this excess. Like so. Oh, sorry. As usual, I'm shaking the camera. So I apologize for that. And this is the final piece. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Again, this has to dry for a while, at least 24 hours for the E6000. And I'm going to show you how they look from the front. I hope you like this quick and very easy DIYs, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please visit Kiki's channel and watch the videos in the playlist, and if you have a little bit of time, visit our dumpster diving channel. Thank you so much to Kiki for hosting this amazing challenge, and thank you so much to all of you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.